If I woke up tomorrow with nothing but a gun to my head and someone saying you need to make 10K a month in the next 30 days, but I still knew everything I know right now about AI, this is exactly how I'd make money in 2026. And I'm not going to say build your personal brand or post content every day. I'm going to show you real, repeatable systems that make money fast, even if you're starting at zero. Let me show you what to learn, how to make money from it. If I'm starting over, the first thing I would not do is learn AI generally. That's the biggest mistake new people make. I pick one high leverage skill that AI makes stupidly efficient. Not 5 tools, not unlearning everything. One lane, because here's how the game actually works. AI doesn't reward the person who knows 30 tools. It rewards the person who uses one tool extremely well in a profitable niche. So I would look at the market in 2026 and ask, where does AI give me a stupid, unfair advantage? And in my opinion, it's one of these. Cinematic influencer videos using VO3, or hyper-realistic product ads or fashion shots using Nanobanana or Midjourney. Both of those unlock money right now, even if you have no audience. Let me show you how. People probably think of Midjourney art, and that's not what we are doing. We are creating product shots that look like they cost £10,000 to shoot. Every small brand on Etsy, TikTok Shop, Shopify has the same problem. Their product looks like trash in their photos, and people don't buy what they don't perceive as premium. Your job is to turn a cheap $18 lip gloss into a Dior level object. You don't start with big cinematic scenes. You start by mastering the environment, material, and lighting. Think soft light studio, high-end packaging table, glass reflections, and clean depth of field. You make their product look super expensive. Once you understand that, Nanobanana and Midjourney do all of the heavy lifting for you. One prompt is your hero image, then you take that same product and do 5 variants. Luxury version, outdoor natural light version, cyberpunk neon version, influencer vanity desk version, and maybe cinematic hyper contrast version. That's a $150 to $300 deliverable. No video, no editing, no client drama. You send it to the brand like this. Here's some free concepts. If you want the full set plus variations, it's X amount of dollars. And you can reach out to them via DMs or even with fully automated AI cold emails that I teach at the end of this video, link in the description. That's repeatable. That scales and prints money, and realistically, it only takes about 5 minutes to produce once you know what you're doing. Once you understand how to package visual quality into perceived value, it's game over. And you can even go as far to post it on your socials and explain how it was done and receive a ton of free inbound traffic. And this is where people are sleeping: influencer and UGC using VO3. Everyone is thinking AI influencer equals weird anime avatar. No, I would build face A, voice A, personality A, and produce 15 to 30 second UGC ads like a real creator, paid by small brands, Shopify sellers, coaches, SaaS owners, and service providers. Their pipeline is always the same. They run ads, their ads fail because the creator is bad, the creator takes 3 weeks to deliver one shitty video, they swap the creator, then they try again. You become the infinite creator. You can do Gen Z skater influencer, clean beauty girl aesthetic, luxury European male model, tech bro educator, gym bro PT, all reusable characters. You record 6 lines of voice, a generic lifestyle script, product problem to product solution, light humor, social proof. That's one VO3 video, but here's the detail most people miss. You deliver one main 15 to 30 second UGC ad, 2 hook variations which are different first 3 to 5 seconds, 2 CTA variations, one vertical, which is 9 to 16, 1 square 1-to-1 for paid ads, and then you just turn one generation into a $300 to $800 package. And if they like it, they will pay you monthly. I'll deliver 4 new ads per month plus edits, $1,200. At scale, that's only 2 or 3 clients and you're at 3 to 4K, just solving a business problem with AI. This is why most newbies fail. They try to become the AI guy, the tool expert. I know 200 prompts. No one cares. Brand cares about more conversions, better visuals, less cost, less headache. You want to win? Stop learning AI. Start learning how businesses buy attention, and attention right now is through social media content. So let's make money from it. This is where people fail for their first 1K. They think money comes from posting content, building a brand, or being consistent. No, it doesn't. If I'm starting from zero, I go to places where money already exists. Facebook groups, TikTok comments, product forums, Discord servers, and boring online stores. I look for 2 things: bad visuals and brands that want attention. Example, someone selling gym hoodies with terrible photos. I message them like this: I made this concept ad for your hoodie. If you want 3 more variations, it's $1,200. Just like that. You don't ask permission, you show value, they'll be happy you reached out. You don't send a paragraph, you send an 8 to 10 second cinematic video that looks like Nike. If you can't get 5 people to pay you $100 to $300 for visuals, you're not in a business problem, you're in a skill problem. Fix the skill, not the marketing. And once I hit 1 to 3K per month, I do not immediately build an agency, hire 5 editors, or start coaching. No, I go deeper. I pick one niche and become the AI guy for those people. Fitness, I become the guy who makes cinematic gym ads. Beauty, the guy who turns lip gloss into Dior level visuals. Food brands, the guy who makes TikTok videos where the drink bottle looks like a Rolls Royce. Monopoly might sound like this. Restaurants DM me their menu and I deliver 5 cinematic reels in 72 hours. Nobody on earth competes with that. Who else does that? Now every restaurant wants to work with you. I wouldn't do what everyone else is doing. Flashy thumbnails, AI hype crap, 10 skills or 10 tools you must try. I'd master one visual skill, one niche, and build a product that makes someone else money. And one last thing, I teach a lot more about all of this in detail in my $9 a month community linked in the description. Because here's the truth no one says. AI is not replacing humans, it's replacing bad humans. People who cannot learn, adapt, or solve real problems. If you can do those 3 things, you're already ahead of the 99% of the world. Bye.